I'm going to show you how to add a counting bot to your Discord server in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like the video. So this is very easy and the bot might seem useless, but it's actually a fun way you can keep your Discord server alive, and it will allow you to compete with other Discord servers to see which one counts as high as possible. So the process is very simple. You just need to go to the Discord server where you want to add this bot, then click on app directory. You need to click the server name first, then add directory, and search for counting right here at the top right of the screen. And this is the most popular bot. This bot is in almost a million servers. You can click on add application, select the server, and give it the right permissions and authorize it. It will take a few seconds, and now the bot is added to your server. So if you click the bot profile right here, you will see some of the commands. As you can see, it has a help command. So I'm gonna create a new text channel, which, for example, let's say counting, and now let's put slash help with this bot. I have a lot of different, and it will help you with the setup. So it says you need to create a channel where you would like to count in. In my case, it will be this one. Then type in C exclamation mark channel in that channel, and now the counting channel has been set to counting. And that's it. Now people in your server will be able to start counting, taking count that your account must be at least 7 days old to count. This is useful to prevent people from creating multi-accounts and trying to win the competition. So there are also some rules. As you can see, one person can't count two numbers in a row, so it has to be between different persons. Bots are not allowed, and if you recount, a save will be docked from your save count if you have any, otherwise the count will reset. To get saves, you will need to vote here to get your saves, and here you can see all the commands you can uh, put and the admin commands as well. So for example, let's say we want to search, see the leaderboard, we can put C exclamation mark LB and then 1. As you can see, the highest scores right now are those 10 servers and their score right here at the right. As you can see, there are some good communities that are very active in this game. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.